What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I just wrapped up fishing the American Bass Kayak Series tournament number 3, I think it was. I think it was the third one. It was out at Lake Perris, my home lake, and yeah, had some GoPro issues throughout the whole day, so I kind of just canned filming because I was just trying to fish in this tournament and stuff, so I just couldn't troubleshoot. GoPro issues weren't the only thing I had. I had some fishing issues too because I only caught one fish. I think I might have some footage of that catch. I hope I do. If I do, then this will be a video. But yeah, it was a pretty nice fish. 20.75 inches, 5 or so pounds. And yeah, it was a nice fish. Only fish of the day, unfortunately. I just couldn't put it together. I mean, I don't know, I tried everything today, so it was kind of a grind, but I'm so happy that I got that nice fish. I saw that it looks like the standings were updated. I think Ryan M took first place, Alex Cox second, Kurt Gossett, all of those guys are in the top 3 or 4. Congrats to all those guys who cashed a check today, and really everybody who caught fish. I mean, it was a grind it was kind of slow, man. But yeah, congrats to everybody that fished. I'll cut to the clip of my fish here, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This will be a quick one. Later. All right, 7 a.m. Let's get it. Guys, my freaking GoPro messed up while I was catching this fish. I hope it got it. Check this beast out. 20.75 on a drop shot. Are you kidding me? Yes, sir.